This is Mommy Alaville from Wonderfully Made Kids Homeschool. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay YouTube thumbnail. So, pupunta po tayo sa canva.com and dito sa taas, all you have to do is type in YouTube thumbnails. As you can see, napakarami pong options that you can try to just edit it and use it for your own videos. So these samples are already here for you to use. There's a lot to choose from, right? What we're gonna do is make our own. So, kuha tayo ng blank template, and then what I'm gonna use is similar to what I made for my daughter dun sa video namin about creating storybook animation together. So, first of all, kailangan ko ng background. So, I will go to the left side and search for a background. I want it to be something pink. So, I'm going to search the gradients here. Okay, pink or purple. And I think I use this one. Okay. But as you can see, very, very bright po siya. So, what I can do is actually adjust the transparency. And I can do that. Okay, and now I have a lighter pink, right? You can still adjust this using the colors that you have here and click undo to change it back, right? Now here you can have an adjustment for the color as well dito sa box dito sa taas. And so if you want it more purplish or more pinkish or back to this parang medyo peach color. Okay, and I'm fine with that. Now, I'm going to my uploads. So, you can use elements or photos that are in Canva. But for our example, I'm going to use uploads because I uploaded the picture of my daughter which I wanted to use. So, here, pinicturan ko siya with a cell phone earlier in anticipation for the video that we were going to make together. And so, what I need to do here is click on Edit Image here at the top left. And then background remover because I want to remove the background. Okay. So there. Now, I actually want to make her fingers look like it's on top of the phone. So, ang gagawin natin dito is I'm going to put the image of the video that we made in this in this photo of the phone. Pero gusto ko hindi matakpan yung fingers. So, how am I going to do that? So, what I need to do actually is to make a duplicate of this one. Okay? And as you can see, pwede nating i-crop yan. Diba? Pero hindi natin maka-crop out yung phone completely. So, I'm going to click again on background remover. So, edit image and background remover. And this time, I will erase the phone manually. So, bumalik yung original image, no? So, I'm going to delete this one manually. It's okay if the rest of the image is not deleted. Kahit hindi ko na po yun i-delete kasi madali lang siya i-crop later on. Again, this one that I am deleting from is going to be the top image. I just need her fingers. Kasi gusto ko mag-show up yung fingers on top of the cell phone later when we have all the elements in this picture. So as you can see, this is how I'm deleting it. And then I will adjust the brush size. It's easier when you zoom in closer to the maximum level para makakapag-delete kayo ng mas madali. So, pagkagaya nito, medyo mahirap. Ang gagawin mo dyan, just delete it like that. And then, you can restore the parts later on slowly. So, I'm trying to get out all of the black that is from the cell phone. Okay, and then restore. Okay. See, it's much easier to delete first and then restore slowly. Okay. So this is the part where you need to be very patient because it takes a while before you get everything out that you want out. Right? I think I'm almost done. Okay. Done. Now, what I'm going to do is click on done. And zoom out. As you can see, we now have this to put on top of our image. So, ang gagawin natin, kunyari, yung ginawa niyang animation, ang ilalagay natin sa loob ng cellphone. How do we do that? Now, we can actually just go ahead and crop this and resize this and put it there. But an easier way to do it would be going to Elements, Type Frame. So, go to Elements, Type Frame, and look for the cell phone frame, which is right here. It's actually, even for free accounts, you can use this. And then, just adjust it to cover the cell phone that she actually has on the photo. Okay, so again, just be patient until you have the right dimensions. Okay, just a little bit more. I think I'm okay with this. Alright. Tapos, ilalagay ko ngayon to dito sa loob. Okay? Nilapit ko lang siya, inabsorb na siya ng phone. And in order to edit this, double-click. You can now adjust the photo inside. I want it actually na makita yung ating beekeeper. So, ganyan. And remember, we have an image here, a second image of the hand. And I'm just gonna right-click, bring forward. So, nag-right-click ako, bring forward, and now it looks like it's on top of the phone, right? So, there you go. And now, I want this image to have an outline. So, yun yung makikita natin na common sa mga YouTube thumbnails ng iba, merong outline. So, dati mas tedious pa yung paggawa ng shadow or outline, but now it's very simple. They have a new function here, a new effect. So, go to Edit Image, and then click on Shadows. You can find it here actually. Okay? And click on Glow. So, as you can see, meron na siya actually glow. Pero to change the color, just go to the middle part and the toggles. Okay, so move the toggles here. You can change the outline or shadow to a white color or any other color that you like. I'm going to choose white. I will make the transparency 100. Ang size, lalakihan natin. And blur, ayoko siyang maging blurred. Gusto ko maging outline siya na ganyan. Okay, once I'm happy with that, I'm gonna click on Apply. Okay, so yan yung medyo madalas natin makita. Okay, and then we will do the text part. So what's important here is that your text is readable. So you need a nice font na readable and also yung contrast ng colors. So I'm just gonna go to the left, add a heading, and type in CANVA story. Ano yung ginawa natin? Animated story. CANVA animated story. Okay. Ngayon parang ang laki ng space niya, no? So, ang gagawin natin dito sa taas, pwede nating adjust yung spacing. And you can change the font over here. Maganda naman yung font natin, very readable. Pero pwede rin nating i-change into something more fun. So, pwedeng type tayo ng calligraphy. Pero baka mahirap basahin pag calligraphy eh. Let's see. Okay, this will work. Or maybe this one. Okay, so I'm just scrolling at other fonts that you can choose from. Okay, but I think I'm okay with a more simple font. Para madali siyang mabasa. Corporate. And I am going to choose this one. Okay, I like this one. I'm going to change the color. I want it white. So here on top, text color white. I'm going to add effects. Gusto ko may shadow. And ang shadow gusto ko ay black. I can adjust the transparency of the shadow. Gusto ko kita siya. And I can even adjust kung gaano siya kalayo sa image. Okay. Now, gusto ko mas kita pa siya lalo. So, I'm going to add a rectangle para maging border nitong ating text. So, I'm just gonna press on the letter R in the keyboard and automatic meron na akong rectangle. So, that's a keyboard shortcut you can use. Okay, and I am going to change the color of this rectangle to purple. So, dito yung change ng color niya. And there you have a very bright color na maganda yung contrast. It will allow na mas mabasa yung ating text, which is our purpose for making the YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and then, yung isang isusulat ko pa is easy tutorial. So, I am going to type in easy tutorial. Mabasa. Okay, I'm going to make this bigger. And this naman, I want to be black. Or maybe dark blue. Nah, I think I want it black. And I want it inside a rectangle again. So, another R. But, I want the color to be yellow. Para basang-basa siya. So, yan, makikita talaga siya. Okay? So, yan yung ating... Okay. So, ayan. Kitang-kita yan. So, how to test if readable siya? So, I can group this and move it at the side. I can even enlarge this a bit more. Okay. Zoom out tayo all the way to 10%. Nababasa pa ba? Yes. So, this is a good size of the fonts that you can actually still read it. Are you satisfied with how it is? If yes, then you can already save it into a JPEG, like here, download to a PNG or a JPEG. Just make sure pag nag-download kayo ng JPEG, select the quality all the way to 100% para hindi maging pixelated or low quality yung image. Now, if you still want to do other things in here, yes, you can still add elements and other colors. You can still change the background. Like, for example, you decided, I think I want the background to be more pink talaga. So, pwede pa naman. Okay? Or, I think green na lang. Pwede rin. So, still, it works well with this image. And, again, the purpose of your YouTube thumbnail is para mapansin ka kagad as people scroll down their YouTube. Pag nagsusearch sila, gusto nyo makapture yung attention so that they would click on your video. So, if you can choose eye-catching, photographs, or images, at saka readable yung font nyo and clear yung message, then that's better. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Again, if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe and comment so that we can have ideas on what to make for you. And stay safe, everyone. God bless you. Bye.